We have to check that later, but today is the 30th of July 2020. We're in Sandbacka. It's the first elevator in Sandbacka, Vantaa, Finland.
Yeah.
It's a Kone Sigma elevator that was built in 1999. 8% 600 grams, H69657. It turned 20 years old in the last year, 2019. It's 8 floors. Still very nice.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2022. Only one ride. Because we need to hurry up. We thought this was locked up, but it wasn't. Just, I mean, that door wasn't properly closed.
Yeah.
Again. Please close, oh yes. 99. Still has the Sigma, the 7 segment indicator.
Yeah.
So maybe it's earlier in 1999.
Yeah.
But and it's still with the older Kone logo. But of course it might be any time in 1999 too. If this was completed in 2000, we have to check it out. But I guess it was completed in 99 also.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's